And Jamaica's chess team returned home from the recently concluded Chess Olympiad with several accolades attributed to different members of both the absolute and women's team. Denise Waters tells us more.
Joshua Christie is now Jamaica's highest-rated FIDE player, surpassing FIDE master Warren Elliott, and is on the brink of being the first Jamaican to surpass 2,300 rating points. Christie scored some major points, earning draws twice with grandmasters from Mexico and South Africa, while defeating an international master from Nigeria and drawing with another from the Dominican Republic, all from a very tough board one for the absolute team.
It's a good feeling. I actually wanted to get a second international master norm. I missed out on that, but I think it's a good performance overall.
Woman candidate master Donnie Clark also had her accolades, defeating women FIDE masters from Lebanon and El Salvador.
I'm very elated to be the top performer. A lot of hard work has been put into preparing for this tournament, and I'm very happy that my hard work paid off.
Gabriella Watson qualified for the Women Candidate Master title subject to 1,800 rating points.
I'm pretty pleased with myself, pretty happy that I gained rating points in the tournament. That was definitely one of my goals stepping in.
Jaden Shaw took home the Fair Play Award for his act of kindness. This after his round 3 opponent had a medical emergency, and rather than let the clock run out and claim victory, he offered a draw. Shaw also met the rating qualifier for the Candidate Master title.
All I did was just do what the natural good human being should do. If you really think this is worthy of news or praise, then really, were you really brought up well? I think it's okay that he's well now.
Joma Peterson and Shane Matthews are coaches of the absolute and women's teams, respectively.
It was also historic because it was the first time that the top 4 boards got points against grandmasters. So we're showing that we're capable of actually competing with the world right now.
A lot to build on, and of course, the fight to top the group went all the way to the final round. The performance aside is very good, but when you also take into consideration the youth of the team.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.